Welcome to my channel, Learn to Earn. We are here to help you with interview tips and job information on a daily basis. Today's topic, commonly asked Python interview question and answer. What is an exception in Python? An exception is an error that occurs during execution of a program. How do you handle exceptions in Python? Use try except blocks to handle exceptions. What is the purpose of the finally block in Python exception handling? The finally block is used to execute code regardless of whether an exception has occurred or not. How do you raise custom exceptions in Python? Use the raise keyword followed by an exception type to raise custom exceptions. What are the built-in exception classes in Python? Python has several built-in exception classes such as zero division error, type error, value error, file not found error, etc. How do you handle multiple exceptions in Python? Use multiple except blocks or tuple to handle multiple exceptions. What is the purpose of the else block in Python exception handling? The else block is executed if the code in the try block does not raise an exception. How do you create a custom exception class in Python? Create a class that inherits from exception or a relevant built-in exception class. How do you handle exceptions with traceback in Python? Use the traceback module to print detailed traceback information. How do you suppress exceptions in Python? Use treebot except blocks without any action in except block. How do you create a context manager for exception handling in Python? Define a class with for enter to and not exit use methods to create a context manager. How do you handle keyboard interrupt in Python? Use try except blocks to handle keyboard interrupt exceptions. How do you handle memory error in Python? Memory error is a built-in exception that occurs when Python runs out of memory. Handle it like any other exception. How do you handle syntax error in Python? Syntax error is a built-in exception that occurs when there is an error in Python syntax. Handle it like any other exception. How do you handle indentation error in Python? Indentation error is a built-in exception that occurs when there is an indentation problem. Handle it like any other exception. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope it helps. We will always remember your support towards the channel's growth. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to join our community for more exciting content ahead. Until next time, stay tuned and stay awesome.